Now I want to find smallest value from column L by using min function. So what is min function? So min function describes the smallest value in cell reference range, rows or columns. Its syntax is very similar to max function. This is the name of min function. In arguments, you can add cell reference range, rows or columns which contain numbers. To calculate minimum sale values from column L, active a cell J40. In Formulas tab, click Insert Function button, type min function. Click Go. Select the min function from the list, click OK. You have some instructions here. Returns the smallest number in a set of values. Ignores logical values and text. So, in number 1 box, select the cell reference range. Click OK. You have minimum sales values from column L. This is the minimum sale values from customer Frank Nick.